PS button not working on PS5 controller. Alright, so your first step to fixing this is charge the controller. So a low battery can cause the PS button to stop responding. So plug your controller into the PlayStation 5 or a charger and just let it charge. Alright, now if that doesn't fix the issue, you could simply try resetting your controller, which is one of the most effective ways to do this. Just simply turn your controller over and find a small reset hole at the back and use a pin to press and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. So you see it at the back, just, follow this procedure. Now, if that still doesn't work, you could try reconnecting your controller to the PS5. So to do this, just simply connect your controller with a USB cable and press the PS button to pair again. That should simply fix this issue. Now, if that still doesn't fix it up, you should just simply restart your PS5. And if that still doesn't work, you could also check for any physical damage. And if that still doesn't work, you could use the share button and PS button, press and hold for 5 seconds, and that would perform a connection. That should allow you to connect to your PS5 controller to your PS5. Alright guys,